Uh, well, hello everyone. This is a little preview to the assignment for this week. I don't know if you recognize that, but that's Fenway Park in Boston. And for you Boston fans, you obviously know that. And for you New York fans, you probably know that too, but not with as much joy. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to take you and use Fenway Park as part of a little thought experiment, which will be the basis of your assignment. Now we do know, especially when New York shows up at Fenway, sometimes things get a little out of control. And not only with the coaches and the players, but the fans get involved too. And it has gotten so out of control that a new special punishment has been created for a fan that is caught on the field. And that is, they're going to take them up to the bleachers, but not to any place in the bleachers, but to a very special spot. And that happens to be that red chair right there. Now, when you're caught, you're taken up there and you're going to be handcuffed to this chair. And between games in the summer, they're going to bring out the ground crew and basically seal all the walls of Fenway Park so that they are waterproof. Then they're going to use what we call a magic eyedropper. And this eyedropper delivers a 0.5 milliliter of water, but this is not just any typical water. This water basically doubles in volume every minute. Now, if we go back up to where that chair is, when you get this amount of water in the stadium, you will be above the chair. So anybody who's sitting in that chair will obviously drown. Now, you can get out of the chair, but you're going to need a hacksaw. So that's the setting. And so here's your challenge. Assume that it takes that many gallons to drown whoever is handcuffed to that chair. We're going to start with a drop of water, 0.5 milliliter. The water's volume, special water, doubles every minute. And if you're going to get out of the handcuffs, it's going to take 45 minutes to cut through with a hacksaw. So the magic water is placed on the pitcher mound at exactly 12 noon. So you need to answer these two questions. What is the latest time you need to start sawing in order not to drown and get out of the chair? And how much water is on the field when you start sawing? So that's your problem, and I'll be looking for your solutions.